If you proud to be Latino right now, stand up. Incredible cuts, incredible cuts, let's go. SBK. Hola, we coming up, we coming up.
Nina Sky. Nori.
Hello my friends, this is Vernon Ate again with MastermindMLMFormula.com. It's official day number 10 of the Millionaire 90 Day Challenge, and I want to introduce to you guys a very special guest of mine today, my beautiful Victoria Garcel Nate. Here she is. She will be turning 6 months in the next 2 days. Say hello. Hello guys, hello. Tell everybody hello, happy Easter to everybody in the world. Okay, now like I said, it's official day number 10 of the Millionaire 90 Day Challenge. Updating you what's going on. Time is going so fast. So right now we're on our 10th day so far. There's 80 more days left. I feel as if I'm getting great results with my business, great results with my life, great results with my priorities and what I need to do. I'm always like, I get all my stuff done as soon as possible, just in case something comes up. I got up early in the morning, like I said again, like about 6 o'clock. Got my stuff ready, my daily rituals, affirmation. Took care of my baby. Look, it's about 9 something right now in the morning, Sunday morning. Like I said, it's an absolutely beautiful day to be, to be out there to spend quality time with your family, friends, and but make sure that it's very important to put God first in your life, because God, is the creator of everything. And that's why the main reason that we celebrate Easter. So it's really priceless when you spend quality time with your family, especially your beautiful daughter, with your family. Look, right now I'm spending time with her. I'm playing with her. I took care of her, and she's over here, just taking care of business like I am. She will be taking over the big empire, the big legacy that I'm gonna be I'm building right now, and I will be giving it to her when time is right. Couple things I did yesterday. I interviewed a lot of people, my friends and family, to find out what kind of person who I am. Found a lot of positive things about myself, which I already know. And most importantly, I found a lot of negative weaknesses that people are saying about me, because if I don't know what my weaknesses in life, I won't be able to go forward. Basically, I'm gonna work very hard on my strength in life, in business, in general, but I'm gonna work much harder to basically work on my weaknesses, because those are the things that are holding me back to go really forward, to explode my business much more. So I'm gonna really work on them. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my assignments today, things that I need to do, interview more people, and interact more people in Twitter, and add about 50 plus friends, or interacting with more 20 to 25 people a day with the Twitter. I'm getting the hang of it, and I kind of like it. So, but like I said, I'm gonna be spending some time with family today. But first, I'm gonna get all my stuff done to make sure that my assignments, my priorities are done before anything happens. Like I said, with that in mind, guys, it's a beautiful Sunday morning, Easter Sunday. I'm over here with my baby. Hello. Tell everybody hi. So with that in mind, guys, this is Vernon Nate again with MastermindMLMFormula.com. I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye.